Elevate your energy, mastering aura cleansing. Aura cleansing is the process of purifying your spiritual armor. This invisible shield consists of energy that surrounds and protects us. It's essential for our mental and physical health, acting as a barrier against negative influences and contaminants. Recognizing signs of aura contamination is crucial, as it can manifest in feelings of heaviness, fatigue, or emotional imbalance. By adopting basic aura cleansing techniques, such as meditation or smudging, you can begin to clear away these energies, reconnecting with your inner self and restoring your aura's vibrancy. Meditation for aura cleansing is a profound tool, allowing individuals to tap into their innermost selves. This practice not only clears the aura but also fosters a deep connection with one's spiritual essence, resulting in a purified, vibrant energy field. The ancient art of smudging, using sage and palo santo, is revered for its ability to dispel negative energies. When these sacred herbs are burned, their smoke is believed to cleanse the aura, restoring balance and bringing about a sense of peace and clarity. Crystal healing introduces the powerful vibrations of stones to strengthen the aura. Each crystal possesses unique properties that can shield, energize, or balance the aura, making them indispensable allies in maintaining a robust and luminous energy field. Water plays a crucial role in aura cleansing, acting as a natural purifier. Whether through baths, showers, or adequate hydration, water assists in flushing out toxins from the physical and ethereal body, refreshing the aura and enhancing its protective qualities. Sound therapy utilizes frequencies to harmonize the energy field, offering a unique method for aura cleansing. Through the use of instruments like singing bowls or tuning forks, sound waves can realign and rejuvenate the aura, promoting overall well-being and spiritual equilibrium. The foods we consume play a crucial role in the vibrational quality of our auras. Incorporating fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into our diets can elevate our energy levels, fostering a harmonious and vibrant aura, essential for overall well-being. Aromatherapy utilizes the essence of nature to purify and enhance our energy fields. Essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and rose can uplift the spirit, clear mental fog, and strengthen the aura, acting as a natural barrier against negativity. Physical exercise is more than just a routine for bodily health, it's a vital practice for aura maintenance. Activities like yoga, tai chi, and even brisk walking help in releasing blockages and enhancing the flow of energy, keeping the aura bright and clear. Deep breathing is a simple yet powerful tool for energizing and cleansing the aura. Techniques like pranayama fill our energy field with vitality, helping to dispel stagnation and bring clarity to the mind, making it an essential practice for aura health. Practicing forgiveness is not just an emotional release but a way to cleanse the aura of past grievances. Letting go of anger and resentment frees us from energy drains, allowing our aura to heal and restore its natural luminosity. The connection between sleep and aura health is profound. Adequate rest rejuvenates your spiritual energy, clearing negativity accumulated throughout the day. This restoration is vital for a vibrant, protective aura, acting as a nightly reset for your energy field. Creating a sacred space influences your aura by cultivating an environment of positive energy. This dedicated area, filled with personal items that resonate with you, serves as a sanctuary for spiritual renewal, significantly enhancing the quality and strength of your aura. The influence of thoughts and emotions on your aura cannot be understated. Negative patterns can cloud your aura, while positive thinking strengthens it. Cultivating mindfulness and emotional resilience fortifies your aura against external disturbances, maintaining its clarity and vibrancy. Color therapy offers a unique approach to enhancing your aura. Different colors resonate with various aspects of our being, promoting healing and balance. Surrounding yourself with specific colors can amplify your aura's strength, offering an additional layer of spiritual protection. Positive affirmations play a crucial role in aura strengthening. These powerful statements reinforce your spiritual armor, promoting a sense of self-belief and resilience. Regularly practicing affirmations contributes to a more robust, luminous aura, shielding you from negativity. Protecting your aura from external negative influences is crucial for maintaining spiritual and emotional equilibrium. By establishing strong personal boundaries and employing protective visualization techniques, you can create an energetic shield that deflects negativity and preserves your inner peace. Maintaining your aura requires daily practices that reinforce your spiritual armor. Engaging in regular meditation, cleansing rituals, and mindful living helps to sustain a vibrant energy field. These habits ensure that your aura remains strong, clear, and resilient against everyday stresses and external challenges. Please like the video and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. Thank you, it supports the channel. Let's get a conversation started in the comments about your thoughts on the topic.